I'm currently a college student and I am paying tuition myself. So I never tried trading because I never understood it. I passed it in one day.
Hey Chris, thanks for joining. How you doing today?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Doing great, man. I just wanted to check in with you. I know you've been with us for a few weeks, and just wanted to do a check-in with you and see how everything's been going.
Great. Sounds good.
So, let me ask you, what motivated you to join our program to begin with?
So I'm currently a college student and I am paying tuition myself. So as a marketing strategist for the company, I constantly seen successful trades, successful automation on a daily basis. So I thought it was worth a try to be able to pay for school.
Absolutely. So, what was your biggest challenge so far before signing up with trade? Has difficulties have you had with trading?
It was always something that I was interested in. I just thought I never really had the time to learn or the funds to get started. So I never got into it until I started working for the company.
That makes sense. Cool. So when you were getting onboarded and everything and getting started with the trading, how clear would you say the instructions and getting set up and everything was for you?
The onboarding instructions were very clear. I didn't have any issues starting up. Of course, I had my questions, but that came from my lack of knowledge in trading and trying to understand what certain processes mean. But overall, the onboarding process that was given from the company was understandable and easy for me.
Wonderful. So I guess what would you say your first impressions have been so far while you've been here?
It's been great. Made a lot of process. I started trading about 3 weeks ago with two accounts, and one of them already passed the evaluation. And this was during a holiday, so there was a lot of trading days missed, at least with me. So I'll say for the time I've had so far, it's been pretty successful for me.
Wonderful. So you would say that was pretty much one of your big wins, passing your evaluation, now getting a funded account.
It pretty much won it in one day. Because I won it within my first 2 weeks, I believe. The first one, it was constantly growing by, I believe, 785 a day.
Hmm.
So before we started using the new one pass strategy, I was at, I believe, 51,000, and the strategy boosted it up by 3,000. So I passed it in one day.
There you go. Awesome. That's a pretty big win.
Yep.
So what would you say to someone who's still on the fence about thinking about joining 1P Algo, still on the fence about using automation instead of manual trading, or is hesitant about it because they've never traded before?
I would say automated trading is the best route for someone who's never traded before because it's less work on your end, more so just having to set it up. And you pretty much do that the night before or early in the morning before you go to work or start your day. I would say this is the best way to trade for a beginner, and you can learn how things go over time. So it's like a way for you to start and learn as you do it rather than feeling like you have to learn everything before you start. And it's a lower risk as a beginner. So I think it's a
Absolutely.
good thing for them to do.
Absolutely. Do you have any comments, any suggestions on someone who wants to join? What would you say to them, somebody who's watching this video?
I would say it's understandable to be skeptical or confused at first because something like this isn't often seen or used. But I constantly, and I'm saying this as someone that works for the company, I constantly see every day people having successful wins in trading or the algorithms bringing in a lot of cash for your brokerage account. So I constantly see how well the algorithms work. So I think it's worth trying out.
Absolutely. Thanks, Chris.
Yeah, of
I
course.
appreciate it.